presenting the Mazda 2018 Mazda 6 Touring. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, AM/FM HD, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.